Hey guys, it's Adam here from F150LEDS.com. Today we have our Maverick here in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to switch out those old dim and dingy OEM bulbs for our super bright MK2 reverse light kit from F150LEDS.com. This is a super easy install. We're just going to go ahead and jump right into it and show you how it's done. So what we're going to do is you're going to let down your tailgate. There's two bolts located on the back of this taillight assembly. We're going to use an 8mm size socket to remove these two bolts. Like so. Now once those bolts are removed, all we have to do is pull away from the truck on this taillight assembly and it'll come right out. Now our reverse light bulb is going to be this middle socket right here. We're just going to go ahead and give it a counterclockwise turn and it'll come right out. You're going to be very careful when removing these glass bulbs because if they have been on, they will be extremely hot. So just be careful of that. So what we're going to do is just remove this bulb by pulling straight away from the truck like so. And then we're going to take our super bright LED bulb from F150LEDS.com and put it into place. Now these bulbs do have a tab and a channel, so you don't have to worry about putting it in the wrong way. You just click it right into place like so, put it right back into the housing and give it a clockwise turn to lock it into place. So now we're just going to put our taillight assembly back into place, line up these little tabs on the truck and stick it right back into place. It can be a little difficult, however you can look in there and see your tabs. Push it right back in like so. Now all we have to do is put back in our two bolts right here and then go do the same process for the other side and we'll be good to go. Alright, so that's all there is to installing the MK2 reverse light kit on this Ford Maverick truck. The camera can't really capture how bright these lights are, but these lights are going to add a lot of extra light when you're backing out at night so you can see better and other cars can see you as you're backing out a whole lot easier, so it's going to make you and your families a whole lot safer at night. You can check this kit out along with all of our other amazing LED technology for your Ford truck at F150LEDS.com. We look forward to seeing you there soon. Thanks guys.